Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Taufik from TKKA. Today I will present about introduction Cisco Packet Tracer for beginner. Theory 1. Cisco Packet Tracer is a network simulation application created by a company called Cisco, located in San Jose, California, USA, which is engaged in the network industry. Theory 2. It is said that the network simulation application is that we can make a network design represented by virtual device or device in the application, and it will not be much different if it is implemented in real time. How to configure and device. Configuration. In this device we usually need to configure and test. All of that can be accessed in one tab. Just click on the device. By default, the desktop tab will open automatically. There is a list of menus available. For beginners that are often used are IP configuration to set IP, terminal to access network device via the console, command prompt function the same as the command prompt on our computer for ping, tracer route, etc. It's just that the features are limited. Web browser as a web browser, network device namely router, switch, access point, etc. In real life, to access a Cisco network device, you have to go through the console, connect the network device to a PC or laptop with a serial console cable, and then open it at the terminal. In Cisco Packet Tracer, we can directly open the console via the CLA tab. Just click on the network device you want to configure. Then at the top, select the CLA tab. Even though there is a GUI there, but its features are limited, and we recommend always configuring network device with CLA so that we get used to it. Apart from configuration, sometimes we also need to adjust the interface. For example, by default laptop or PC only has an Ethernet interface. So if we want to connect to an access point, we need to change interface to wireless. This is done in the physical tab. There is an I or O interface module that can be changed according to your need. How to replace it? 1. Turn off the power of the device. 2. Then if there is no expand slot, then we have to remove I or O or the exciting interface first by dragging it. Drag and drop to the module image on the bottom right. If there is an explanation slot, we can go directly to step 3. 3. Install the module to be used. For example, drag the module image on the lower right to available slot on the device. Restart the power of the device. That is the form of our introduction to the Cisco Packet Tracer application. Hope it can be useful. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.